Today I am reviewing the E2 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what really drives this machine. AMD's Ryzen 5 3550H processor. It features 4 cores and 8 threads, with clock speeds that boost up to 3.7 GHz. That means this mini PC isn't just for browsing or writing documents. It's capable of handling tasks like photo editing, casual video work, and even some 1080p gaming thanks to the built-in Radeon Vega 8 graphics. For a mini form factor, that's impressive. Now let's talk memory and storage. Out of the box, the BOSGAME E2 Mini PC comes with 16GB of DDR4 RAM, set up in dual-channel mode for better bandwidth and performance. Whether you're switching between browser tabs, working in Office apps, or running software like Photoshop, this setup ensures smooth, responsive performance. And if you ever need more, you can upgrade the RAM up to 32GB. Storage-wise, this mini PC includes a 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD, which is super fast. It boots Windows 11 Pro in seconds, loads apps almost instantly, and makes file transfers a breeze. For general productivity, office use, or education, this amount of storage is generous. And thanks to the M.2 interface, you're getting PCIe 3.0x 4 speeds, which means faster load times and less waiting around. Now, let's talk about connectivity and display options, because this is another area where the E2 really shines. It supports triple monitor output, with 2 HDMI 2.0 ports capable of 4K at 60 Hz, and 1 USB-C port that supports 1080p video. That's perfect for professionals who want multi-display productivity setups, or for anyone streaming media, running spreadsheets, and browsing the web all at once. The visuals are smooth, sharp, and vibrant, even when outputting 4K content. Connectivity is another strong point. You get Wi-Fi 5, which offers stable, decent speed wireless networking, plus Bluetooth 5.0, which means seamless pairing with peripherals like wireless keyboards, mice, headphones, speakers, or even printers. And if you're someone who prefers wired internet, you're in luck. The BOSGAME E2 includes a gigabit RJ45 Ethernet port for stable, high-speed LAN connections. On the port side, BOSGAME has kept things practical. You'll find 4 USB ports, giving you plenty of room for peripherals like USB drives, webcams, and input devices. This versatility makes the E2 Mini PC ideal for a wide range of users, from students and remote workers to media consumers and light gamers. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, so you're ready to go right out of the box. If you're a Linux user or prefer Windows 10 Pro, the E2 supports OS customization too. That flexibility is a big plus for developers and IT professionals. Thermally, the E2 is well managed. It stays cool and quiet even under moderate load. Whether it's sitting on your desk, behind a monitor, or in a media center cabinet, it runs efficiently without generating noticeable fan noise or excess heat. And lastly, let's not forget the support and peace of mind. BOSGAME provides 24/7 after-sales support and lifetime technical assistance, along with a preloaded OS and drivers to ensure your experience is smooth from day one. In summary, the BOSGAME E2 Mini PC is a compact, reliable, and powerful solution for those who want desktop-level performance without the bulk. Whether you're working from home, streaming your favorite shows, attending virtual classes, or editing media files, this mini PC holds its own. And with Ryzen 5 performance, fast NVMe storage, triple display support, and versatile connectivity, it easily earns a spot as one of the best value mini PCs in its class for 2025.